Hi, this video is the 1 year follow-up. We did the 6 month follow-up. We did the, this is a year, and Raphael was kind enough for allow me to show the audience what it looked like. And he's kind enough to come back. So I'm gonna show the audience what he looked like before surgery. Again, this is all manual FUE, and as you know, I'm one of the very few surgeons in the world specialized in the manual FUE. The 10% of us are true FUE specialists, where we can harvest by all hand. It does give you the most healthiest root. The rest can't do it and use all different kind of apparatus and all stuff. Manual FUE gives you the best density, but there's art behind surgery as well, because it's not just about density, it's about artistry. Because if you have good density but your hairline all the way high up and you have a huge forehead, it still doesn't look natural. So we want to be a proportion of third and a third and a third. We lower the hairline, slightly curve on both sides and broaden the temple, and that's him a year later. 6 months later, but you see the density is there already, and his handsome face comes out. But the most important thing is, with this natural hairline, you can walk down the street. There's absolutely no one know he had had surgery. This is him a year later. Frontal view, 6 months later, a year later. Excellent density. The right hand side view, as you notice, we want to be proportional horizontally and vertically and horizontally as well. There's quite a bit of artistry. We slightly curve up, and this is him 6 months later. You see, beautiful hairline, very natural. This is him a year later. Look at that volume. Look at the density. But the most important thing is how natural that is. Again, this is before surgery. We lower the hairline, slightly curve up, behind the temple. We want to curve, follow that. And you see how it flows. That's 6 months later. This is a year later. Look at the volume and density. Top view, 6 months later, a year later. And this is Raphael 6 months later. A year later now. Look straight at me by the manual FUE method. Go ahead, look straight at me. And look to the other side. Look at how beautiful his hair is. And you can style however you want to style. But this is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result by manual FUE method over 2,000 grafts. Thank you.